So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can install your MetaTrader 4 on your laptop. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to come to your MetaTrader under this MT. So once you click on your MetaTrader, if this is your first time opening LiteFinance account, the default MT our MetaTrader account you'll be seeing will be MT5 demo. So we'll be installing MT4 demo. So it's pretty simple. Open your account, go to MT4. If you see drop down, you get to see all the accounts. So since you want to use MT4 demo, we'll click on our MT4 demo. Leave your leverage, leave your currency, and click demo. So we successfully created our demo account. That's not all. Look at the demo account here. We need to turn it into main account. So immediately we turn it into main account. You see the MT5 will go down below while the MT4 will be at the top. So the first thing we need to do when we create our MT4 account is for us to come to this trader's password. Put your trader's password. Using my trader's password, this is the first thing you will need to do when you open your MT4 or MT5. So you click on save. So we successfully save our trader's password. And another thing also, you need to copy this your server login. This is your server login. This is it here, server login. You can also copy it. Then once you've copied your server login and your trader's password, you click on download terminal. So as you can see, our terminal is being downloaded. So successfully downloaded. Let's click on install. So it's pretty simple. You click yes, you click on next. So just wait for a few seconds so that the account will be successfully installed. So if your system is running 32 bits, it will show here. If it's running 64 bits, it will automatically show. Since we've installed it, let's click on finish. So we'll close our browser, close here. Let's look for our MT4. This is our MT4. If you want to sign in your account that we just created now, you come to your file, come to login account, switch to your demo account. This is demo. Remember the login
incoming mail
that we copied. All you need to do is to paste, then let's add our password, our trader's password. Then let's click on save. I hope I get the password right. So yeah,
incoming mail.
Log in our trader's account. As you can see, because this is a new account, we don't have any funds yet on the account. So all our market watch, everything, they are here. As you can see, our account is successfully created. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. Now you've seen how you can actually install your MT4 successfully without no stress.